Until now, in our example projects, we've used straightforward setups where each fixture is added to the canvas once and patched at one address. Express features a lot more flexibility to accommodate installation scenarios where one fixture is patched at multiple addresses, or where multiple fixtures are patched at one address. Let's open a project file to demonstrate this. We'll start in the top left space with a standard fixture setup. Here we have fixture 1. It's shown once on the canvas and in the browser, and patched once to address 26. Now, let's look at the next space. Right now the fixture is patched just once, but we can drag this fixture to the patch more than once, so the fixture's programming is output multiple times to multiple addresses. This can be to addresses in the same universe, or across multiple universes and protocols. This technique of double patching doesn't count towards the controller's DMX universe capacity. Instead, available channel count is determined by unique fixtures patched. The third space shows one fixture, patched once, but cloned so it appears multiple times on the canvas. These cloned instances, which must remain in the same space, will always do exactly the same thing, allowing you, for example, to show several fixtures on the canvas and in simulation, even if the fixtures are all responding to a single DMX patch. The fourth example is a single fixture from a programming perspective, which has been set up using both the previous techniques. Because of this, it appears multiple times on the canvas and multiple times on the patch. It's possible to have a fixture that's in your project, but not patched or shown on the canvas. You can select the fixture and delete it, or you can drag it from the browser to the canvas or to patch. Let's take a quick look at workflow now. Pharos Express offers flexibility for adding fixtures to your project. You can add the new fixture to the canvas, and from there to the patch, as we've done in the example projects. Alternatively, first add the fixture to patch, and later to your canvas. This is especially useful if your fixtures have been added to the project using RDM Discovery. If you've placed two different fixtures, as shown in the browser, that should have been clones, you can drag them on top of each other to create an instance, and therefore only one fixture in the browser. Alternatively, select the fixtures, right-click and choose Combine. Finally, let's look at changing fixture type. Let's imagine these patched RGBW fixtures should have been RGB fixtures. We can easily change the type by selecting an RGB fixture and dragging it onto the original fixture. The patch is automatically adjusted with the start address maintained. If you need to change the fixture type to one with a larger footprint, such as RGBAW, the original fixture will be removed from patch.